Heard a lot about 3D? Well, now it's your turn to create it with the world's first consumer 3D camcorder. Panasonic introduces the multi-award-winning HDC-SDT750. Achieve stunning 3D image shooting with the 3D conversion lens and be amazed by the results. Advanced 3MOS system and Crystal Engine Pro give improved efficiency of light gathering, increased sensitivity and reduced noise to enable perfect picture quality. Full HD and 50 frames per second progressive recording exceeds the quality of conventional Full HD images, and footage can be recorded straight onto an SD card. Hybrid optical image stabilizer corrects handshake, while the OIS locks creates clear images even when shooting at an angle or zooming in. Capture life's moments and enjoy 3D playback on 3D compatible TVs or AV-CHD compatible players and recorders. Panasonic, don't just watch 3D, create it!